Welcome to the meditation channel. Close your eyes. Allow my voice to guide you, to soothe you, to assist you through this deep healing, this deep meditation, giving ourselves permission to open up to our femininity, to our emotions. Understanding the feminine energy has nothing to do with being physically male or female. The feminine energy in our bodies has to do with being open and receptive, compassionate, fluid, creative, kind, gentle. It's about learning to be balanced, allowing the feminine and the masculine energy to both have a home in our hearts, in our energy, and in our bodies. Bring your focus to your heart right now. Feel your heart. And just take a moment to pay attention if you are open or if there are some blocks around that area. If you feel tightness, heaviness, anger, frustration, and just breathe in and out. Breathe into your heart. And at each breath in, tell your heart, it's okay. You can open up. It is safe. You are safe. And if you'd like, you can picture a window or a door opening up in your heart. An energy opening. Allowing ourselves to be vulnerable, to be in touch with our truth, to be receptive. And visualize a beautiful light around your heart. You can picture this as a white light, as a gold light, or as a green light. Maybe all three. And see this energy wrapping around your heart, charging your heart, softening your heart, healing your heart, and protecting your heart. Allowing it to be safe for us to be vulnerable. Warming that area. And as that energy begins to swirl around your heart and all around it, it begins to draw an energetic cord from the bottom of your heart, gently moving down your body, connecting to your sacral chakra. And down, down, all the way down to your groin, to the base chakra. Activating that chakra, opening up our primal need, opening up our desires. And that energy begins to swirl around that chakra, our base chakra, which is a red color, allowing this green, gold, or white or to swirl around that area, activating that area, charging that area, healing that area, and healing anything that is related from the base chakra to our heart chakra, that is connected, that is blocked, that needs to be shifted, that needs to be empowered, and that needs to be released and opened up. Feel those 2 points connecting, charging, and feel a warmth in those areas. And while this is happening, I'm going to call forth your guides and your higher self just to do a basic cleansing around us, allowing some white light to just surround us, around our bodies, in the room or place that you're in. Cleansing negativity, entities, blockages, anything that is not in your highest good that is surrounding you, to help this healing process, this opening up, helping it to happen more clearly and easily. Clearing out any outside influence. And feel the energy lifting up and lightening up around you, getting just a little bit lighter, a little bit softer. Giving ourselves permission to be surrounded by gentle, soft energy. And take a moment to focus and see if there is any emotional feelings, thoughts, images, even physical shifts, if you'd like. We're just observing, noticing, becoming aware. Bringing our focus back internally to our heart and our base chakra. Feeling that energy charging, healing, shifting, deprogramming, and reprogramming. We're going to say some affirmations now and visualize these affirmations, these words, to be the new program in our base and in our heart chakra, and any chakra in between, of course. I am open and receptive to love, to joy, to gentleness, to kindness, to change, to creativity, and to fluidity. I open my heart to be open and receptive to emotions. It is safe for me to be vulnerable. It is brave for me to be true to my heart, true to myself, true to my spirit, my mission, my expression, my energy. It is safe for me to be empowered in my feminine energy as well as my masculine energy. It is safe for me to be balanced, to be open and receptive, to allow love in my world, to allow joy, to allow abundance, to allow success, to allow myself to be empowered, to speak my truth, to express my truth, and to live my truth. I embody this energy. I ooze this energy. I live this energy. I am powerful. I am strong. And true strength comes from being open and receptive, to being vulnerable, to being aware, to being kind, not just to myself, but to others, this planet and the creatures of this planet, to be sensitive. It is empowering to feel safe, to choose to feel safe, to let go of programming that no longer serves my highest and greatest good, to let go of programming that stops me from being who I really am. I give myself permission to be expressive, to be my truth, my unique self, both in my light and in my shadow. And now observe that light returning from your base chakra back up to your heart chakra, as if that cord is disconnecting and going back up, returning to your heart. And that heart being full, being open, being receptive, being vulnerable, yet powerful. And watching as that energy gently evaporates, leaving you completely healed and recharged, connected, clear, reprogrammed. Giving yourself full permission to be in your true power, energy, and divinity. Be grateful for this moment by taking a moment of silence, appreciation for this shift. I have a powerful heart. I have a strong spirit and a clear mind. I am balanced, restored. I am in connection with my truth, with my divinity, and with my highest and greatest purpose and good, which is the highest and greatest purpose for all. And so it is. Take your time, and when you are ready, expand your awareness back into your body, back into the room. and open your eyes.